Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to insert data in our database by using MySql Workbench as well as Python script. Here I just opened up MySql Workbench and now I'm going to use a database which is test. After that I'll hit enter, which is command enter, and now I'm going to insert some data by using insert keyword. So here I just write insert, after that into employee. So employee is a table in our database, and after that we have to pass some parameter. So the first parameter is a ID, the second one is a name, the third one is a DOB, and the last one is a email. After that write values and insert the parenthesis. We have to assign some values. So the first one is a ID, so here I just write 1. So ID is the integer field. The second one is a name field, which is a string, so here I just write Alex. The third one is also a string, but it is a date of birth, so here I just write 1989, 09 and 20. So this is the format to write a date in MySQL. After that the last one is a email, so we can pass any email, and after the parenthesis hit command enter, and here we can see the table is created and one row is affected. And now I'm gonna show you how to see values from the table by writing select asterisk mark and from employee and hit enter. So here you can see the name is Alex, here date of birth, and the last one is a email. So this is the process to insert a data in our database by using MySQL Workbench. And now let's move to the Python script to insert a data in our database. So here I just copy all the values, which is insert into, and after that I'll paste here. I think there is an indentation error, so I just arrange in correct manner. So here the values are inserted, and now at last I have to write CONN, which is variable connection. After that put period, and now I'm gonna commit these values in our database, and now run this module. Sorry, we have to change some values here. Name is a Peter, the ID is a 2, and the date of birth is something like that, which is 1990, and the email is also change hotmail.com. So now just save this and run this module. So here we did not get any error. So let's move to the MySQL Workbench to see whether it is inserted or not. I'm gonna clear this one, and now first I have to use a test database by using command enter, and the second one is a select star from employee. Just click command enter. So here you can see the second ID is a 2, name is a Peter, and third one is a date of birth, which is 1990, and the last one is a anc@hotmail.com. So this is the process to insert a data by using a Python script. So just write your MySQL command, or we can say MySQL code, in your execute parenthesis here. And now I'm gonna show you the data in our Python script. So just delete out, and here just write print my cursor dot fetch all, and here we run this module. So there is some error, no result set to fetch. I think there is some error because you have to write some code, which is my cursor dot execute show tables, and now here we run this module. We get the result, which is employee and student. And now I'm gonna write here, which is SEL is select star from employee employee. So this will fetch all the data as we see in MySql workbench, which is select star from employees. When we click hit enter, so there is a pop-up which show all the data. So here also we just write select star from employee. Here we run this module, we get the result which is ID, name, date, second ID, name, date. So this is the process to insert a data and show the data by using Python script.